A very good morning, student. This is Jyoti Pandey, and the today's topic is introduction about novel drug delivery system. In short, it is also known as NDDS. So, this lecture includes definition, types of different NDDS techniques, and delivery system of NDDS. So, let's start with definition of novel drug delivery system. So, the drug which is delivered in the body for a safety purpose, for a proper efficacy, and as per the body acceptability. When these drugs converted into a different formulation by using a modern technique, then such drug formulation are known as novel drug, and this technique or system is known as novel drug delivery system. This delivery system can be divided into conventional drug delivery system and novel drug delivery system. So this is a modified drug delivery system. What is conventional drug delivery system? Conventional drug delivery system are methods of drug delivery by which different routes drug can be administered, like oral, which is also known as antral route, parenteral, that means injection based, intradermal, subcutaneous, intramuscular, intravenous, intrathecal, and intraocular. Topical, that means in via skin, dermal and transdermal. Mucosal, that means buccal, sublingual, rectal, vaginal, and inhalational. These are the route of drug conventional drug administration. Conventional drug route administration includes the drug like tablet, capsules, normal injections, transdermal patches, lozenges, buccal tablets, mouth dissolving tablets, etc. But the novel drug delivery system includes modified techniques by which can administer the drug inside the body very easily, like transdermal injections, insulin pen, and transdermal patches, anti-malarial determination, diagnostic kit, etc. These are part of novel drug delivery system. So, novel drug delivery system approaches new technique, new formulation, new methodology and systems for transportation of drug in the body via safety techniques for safe achievements of therapeutic effects of drug and its doses. So, what are the advantages of novel drug delivery system? And advantages include decreased dose frequency, second, gradual rise of drug concentration in the body, sustained blood level within the therapeutic window, enhanced bioavailability, achievement of targeted drug release, reduce side effects, and improve patient compliance. So, NDDs provides a perfect dosing, reduces patient compliance, release of drug in a proper concentration in the body, higher bioavailability, and targeted release of drug. So this is most beneficial route of drug delivery, system of drug delivery than the conventional dosage form. Why do we need NDDS? We need NDDS for the regulated, effective, and efficacious delivery of drug. FDA and ANDA also provide a therapeutic window for the delivery of drug by using novel techniques. Some of the novel techniques are more, or we can say modes of drug delivery are targeted drug delivery, controlled drug delivery, module drug delivery. Different types of NDDS techniques include like microparticulate drug delivery system, nanoparticle based drug delivery system, erythrocyte based drug delivery system, liposomal drug delivery system, implants, films and strips, osmotically modulated drug delivery system, transdermal drug delivery system, prodrugs, aquasomes. These all are the different drug delivery system which is used inside the modified technology for delivery of drug. What are nanoparticles? Nanoparticles are the nano-sized particles which is made by the medicated substances, and they are having a size of 10 to the power minus 9 nanometer. That's why it is known as nanoparticles. Generally, it is used for different or various kinds of disease treatments. This is the diagram of nanoparticles, carbon nanoparticles, and gold nanoparticles. Carbon nanoparticles used for the asthma treatment, bronchial asthma treatment, also used for some of allergic skin allergic treatments, ulcer treatment. Gold nanoparticles used for the cancer chemotherapy. Next one is transdermal patches. Transdermal patches, that means these are the patches imparted into the body in the form of transparent film, like for example nitroglycerin transdermal patch. This is the diagram of liposome. Liposome is a lipid bodies. These are multilayer or unilayer phospholipid vesicles useful for capturing both variety of drugs like lipophilic and hydrophilic. For an example, amphotericin B, which is an antifungal drug, and the doxorubicin have been successfully launched in the market as a liposome. So, what are the concerns related to the NDDs? Toxic effects each material put into the body as well as its degradation products must be evaluated. Specifically important for the synthetic polymers. If we are using synthetic polymers for preparation of NDDs technique, so their evaluation is necessary, and this delivery system sometimes directly relates to the blood circulation, so discomforts occur. So the insertion done by a medical practitioner, and comfort level should be considered in the duration of administration of such drug delivery, like insulin pump administered with a full comfort zone of patient. And third concern is increased cost. So these are the modified dosage forms. So the cost of these formulation is very high. So this is all about the novel drug delivery system, which includes the novel techniques for the delivery of drug like nanoparticles, erythrosomes, liposomes, microparticulate implants, films, transdermal patches, prodrugs, aquasomes. These are the different kind of drug delivery systems. So we can use following references for further study of NDDS topic. And thank you so much, student. We meet again with a new topic, that is Indian pharmacopoeia and other pharmacopoeias detail and its intro. Thank you once again.